Hey guys, and welcome into a Design Academy short. Today we are going to be taking some basic shapes and creating custom shapes. I'm going to start out grabbing the rectangle tool. You can also get this by pressing U on your keyboard. Before I draw on my canvas, I'm going to come up in the top here and make sure that I have my settings right. I do want to have shape selected. This is going to allow me to go in here and edit. And then we can choose different colors for fill and stroke. Your stroke is a border. If you do not want this, you can select the icon that is a white rectangle with a red slash through it. Now I'm going to come onto my canvas and draw the basic shape that I'm going for. Before I click off of it or deselect, I'm going to come and grab the pen tool. You can also get this by pressing the letter P. Now, if I mouse over any of the sides here, you will see it turns into a plus sign and has a little square. This is going to add a point to our path. If I put this in here, you will see it has these two little circular points. These are actually in order to create Bezier curves. Bezier curves are organic shapes that are based on mathematical equations, but instead, we don't want to do that. We're going to stay with our pen tool, have this point selected here, and we're going to hold down the Alt key. The Alt key, when we mouse over this point, brings up this little triangle. By selecting this, we convert it from a curve to a geometric point. Next, we are going to grab the Direct Selection tool. If it is not in your toolbar, you can press and hold the mouse button between the Path Selection and Direct Selection tool. You can also get these by selecting the letter A on your keyboard. Now, if I drag this point, you can see we can take it in or out and create the custom shape that we want. So these are fantastic shapes to do any kind of a call out on your stream. I use them for my events list or to show off all of the affiliations and teams on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this Design Academy short. If you have any questions, you can either comment below, join my Discord, or hit me up on Twitter. And if you want to keep getting updates for the Design Academy series, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you next time.